Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete saved cards from Amazon. If you've got old payment methods cluttering your account or just want to remove cards you no longer use, this process will help you clean up your payment options quickly and securely. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After you've signed in successfully, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Account and Lists menu. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with various account management choices. From this menu, select Account to proceed to your main account settings page. Once you're on the account page, you'll see several sections displaying different aspects of your Amazon account. Look for the option labeled Your Payments and click on it. This section is where Amazon stores all your payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and other payment options you've added over time. It's essentially your payment wallet within Amazon, giving you full control over how you pay for purchases. Now, I should mention that although I don't have any saved cards right now in my demonstration, I'm going to walk you through exactly what you'll see and do next. When you have saved cards in your account, they'll be displayed clearly on this page with partial card numbers visible for identification purposes. The next step is to click on the saved card you want to delete. Before proceeding, it's important to check the last 4 digits displayed on the card to make absolutely sure it's the right one you intend to remove. This verification step prevents you from accidentally deleting the wrong payment method, which could be inconvenient if you use multiple cards for different purchases. After confirming you've selected the correct card, click the Edit button for that specific card. This will open up the card details and give you access to management options for that payment method. Once you're in the Edit view, look for the option that says Remove from Wallet or Delete, depending on what Amazon displays on your screen. The wording may vary slightly based on updates to Amazon's interface, but the function remains the same. Click on this removal option to initiate the deletion process. Amazon will then ask you to confirm this action to prevent accidental deletions. You'll see either a confirm or remove button appear on your screen. Click this final confirmation button to complete the deletion process. Once you do this, the card will be permanently removed from your Amazon wallet, and you'll no longer see it as a payment option during checkout. And that's it. You've successfully removed an old payment method from your Amazon account, keeping your payment options organized and up to date. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.